How to book Grab in advance. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can book Grab in advance. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you'd like to book your Grab in advance, first of all, launch the Grab app. Then we're going to go to a section called Transport. Once we go to Transport, we will select where we want to go to. So we will select our pickup destination here. Now here you can see different type of options. So make sure to choose your destination properly. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and then tap on the choose this pickup option. Now it's time for us to choose when we want to book this ride. You can try to look for this three dots icon here. You can see for every ride you get a couple of ride coverage. You can also see for you can tap on this icon, or you can set this to for others right there, for your family also. Then you can tap on book option right here. Once done, you can verify a couple of information, and then after that you'll be able to go ahead and then basically book your Grab app or order in advance. This way you can go ahead and then book your ride in advance. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.